Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the phone and PC so the unlock process is efficient. Make sure the battery is above 50% and you have a backup. This prevents data loss during system changes. Install and launch Phone on your computer, then plug the device with a reliable USB cable. Once connected, choose the Screen Unlock module. This tells Phone to identify your device model and prepare the correct removal package. Follow the app's initial prompts to move to the next stage. Once done identifying the device, you must put the phone into the correct mode so Phone can communicate with the bootloader. For Samsung, enter download mode. For most other brands, use recovery or bootloader Phone shows exact button combos, so follow those prompts precisely. Make sure the model and OS version shown match your phone before you proceed. After confirmation, Phone will download and verify a matching firmware package. This package contains the files needed to remove the screen lock safely. Now you initiate the removal sequence and let Phone perform the automated steps. It flashes the small recovery package, removes the lock, and reboots the phone. After reboot, confirm you can reach the home screen without a passcode, then restore any backed up content. If the process stalls or fails, make sure PC drivers are properly installed, swap USB ports or cable, and re-enter the device into the required mode before retrying. This one troubleshooting step fixes most common connection and recognition.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.